Wordsmith AI Review. So what is Wordsmith AI? It's an AI-powered platform designed for in-house legal teams, offering contract review, automated drafting, multilingual question and answers, legal chatbots, document translations, and compliance workflows. So, it's built to integrate with systems like Slack, email, and document management tools. They also have prioritizing security and scalability. And they also have some key benefits. So, what it offers is it has some efficiency gains. They also have enterprise grade level of security. They also offer a powerful feature, which is the automated contract review and redlining. They also have AI legal chatbots for internal query handling. They also have a document summarization, translation, and first pass AI due to diligence reports that can reduce processing times by approximately 95%. And it's also scalable across enterprises. So you might want to consider the onboarding complexity, the learning curve, and pricing as well. So is Wordsmith worth it? Well, yes, if you're a medium to large in-house legal team seeking enterprise-grade automation, security, workflow integration, and multilingual support.